Hey, and welcome to this Notion template, the Pomodoro timer. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use it. I'm Osama, aka Olays, and let's get started. So first of all, we have the main database here, which is the Pomodoro database. Here we have today view, so you can only see the sessions of today. If you want to see all time, you can go and hit record. So yeah, let's create a new session here and let's set the duration to 10 minutes. Of course, you can add your own duration. For example, you can add 5 minutes if you want, and you can see here in the progress, 5 minutes, but let's set 10 for now. You can add also the mode, for example, focus or a long break, for example, or short one. To start, just click on start session. And as you can see, it's started. I'm not going to wait this entire 10 minutes to explain this simple template. So what we're going to do is just go to the start and let's move this to 4 p.m. And as you can see, 8 minutes passed and 2 minutes left. And as you can see here, the progress starts filling. If you want to stop this session, for example, you want to go to the toilet, you can just hit stop. Okay. And once you come back, you can hit the start button, which acts as a resume button here. So you hit resume and let's say that we finished. So let me just make it 3:58. And yeah, you finished this session. Once you finished, make sure to click the finished button. Why? So we can log this session. My bad here. I think I've added 1 p.m. Let's make it 3 p.m. here. And as you can see, 11-minute logged. So more than the goal that we set for ourselves. Now, if we went to the States hub here, we have many formulas, 6 formulas here. We have today's session, how many sessions we have, and the duration we focused. Same for this week, this month, this year, and all time. And then we have the longest focus duration. As you can see here, currently it's 15 minutes. So yeah, that was the Pomodoro timer. Thank you for grabbing this template. And if you want more Notion templates, go to my website, olstrxnotion.com. You will find some beautiful gamified Notion templates or other minimal and simple and advanced Notion templates. I highly recommend you to get Second Brain 6.0. And you will receive soon the 7.0 for free if you get it today. It's going to blow your mind. If you're watching this while 7.0 released, just go grab it. Thanks again and see you in another tutorial.